welcome to the final assembly of Term 2. It's hard to believe we are already at the end of Term 2, and what a term this has been. Boys and girls, it's been a really strange term. We haven't been at school, we haven't been able to see our teachers, we haven't been able to see our friends, and we've not even been able to give each other a hug. And yet, boys and girls, even though it's been a strange and sometimes quite a hard term for us, I want to thank you for all the learning that has taken place this term. Your teachers say that you have been amazing, that you have followed your guidelines, you've been doing lots of exploring, lots of discovery, and lots of learning has taken place. I want to also thank your moms and dads most sincerely for all their help that they have given you and all the support that they've given you to make sure that you've been able to use the teachers' guidelines to learn and to learn so much during the course of Term 2. I also want to thank our amazing teachers for all the love and care that they've shown you, all the support they've shown you, all the creative ideas that they've put into your guidelines for you. And I want to thank all of you for your part that you have played in Term 2. Boys and girls, thank you for your videos, thank you for your messages. You know, for us as teachers, that is what has kept us going. It's been the best part to see your learning, to see how you're doing, and thank you for sharing those. And please don't stop sending those in to us. Boys and girls, it's time for holiday. I hope that you're going to have a good holiday, that you're going to do something fun, that you're going to do something that makes you happy. And when you come back to school next term, either if you are going to come into our school buildings or if you're going to continue with the online program, we can't wait to welcome you back. And we hope that you come back having had a good rest, and we hope that you come back with lots of energy. So boys and girls, enjoy your holiday, stay safe, and we really look forward to welcoming you again. Today's assembly is going to be taken by Teacher Susan. She's got a very special message that I know she wants to share with you.
Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to tell you about a story about a little boy who had a very caring heart. And this is a story about Jesus. And he was talking to all the people one day. You know, everybody loved to come and listen to Jesus because he had such interesting things to say. And everybody just loved him. So he used to stand or sit underneath a tree and just talk and talk and talk, and all the mums and the dads and the brothers and sisters and the babies, they all used to come and sit and listen to him. And then the one day, 5,000 people were just sitting there listening to Jesus. And it came towards the end of the day, and Jesus' friend said to him, I think these people must be so hungry and we're so far from shops. What can we give them? And so Jesus said, well, what do we have? Do we have anything? And just then, a little boy came. A little boy. And he went to go and stand in front of Jesus. And he said, my mom gave me 2 fish and 5 loaves. I can share this with whoever wants some. Oh, Jesus' heart was so happy because he loves little children. And he said, wow, that is so amazing, little boy. And Jesus' friend said, you can't share 2 fish and 5 loaves between 5,000 people, Jesus. It's impossible. But Jesus knew that with God, everything is possible. So he lifted up the bread and the 2 fish and he said, thank you, Father, for this lovely food. And let's feed the people. And you know what happened? The disciples went and they fed and fed and fed and fed all of these people from the 2 fish and the 5 loaves. They took the bread like this, and they went, some for you, 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 some for you. And you know, the bread didn't finish, the fish didn't finish. It was amazing. It just went on and on and on. And even though the boy only had 2 fish and 5 loaves, they fed 5,000 people. What an amazing miracle. Jesus' disciples were so excited. They just couldn't believe what had just happened. What a miracle. And then Jesus said to them, why don't you go and take the baskets and collect all the leftovers from the ground? And do you know how many baskets they filled? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 baskets. Leftovers. After 2 fish and 5 loaves. Wow, that's all I can say. That's why I know we don't have to worry. And I made up a little song. It goes like this. Don't you worry about a thing, about a thing. Jesus will take care of everything, of everything. Have fun sharing and caring and trust in Jesus this week. Bye.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day and forgive us those that trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Good job.